I'm Jason. This is Cell Phone Help. You have the Vortex NS65. Looks like this. 3 camera panels in the back. Vortex right here. You need a factory reset. Clean and wipe. Reset your phone. This is how we do it. We are going to hold. It's the volume down and power. Volume down, power. We're going to hold for about 30 seconds. So while we're waiting, I'm going to remind you that even though you're factory resetting your phone, you 100% still need your Google or your Gmail login and password after you reset your phone to log back into your phone. And this will 100% erase absolutely everything. All right, as soon as we see the Vortex logo, we can let go. And we're waiting for the fallen Android no command to pop up right there, right there. There. All right. At fallen Android, no command. Now we're going to hold down power, quick touch volume up. Hold down power, quick touch volume up. Brings us the Android recovery menu. Now with volume keys, scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Press power for OK. One more time, read that message. Wipe all user data. This cannot be done. We'll erase everything on your phone except for your security. Scroll down once. Press power for OK. And right here, we can see that the data wipe is complete. That might take a few seconds or a few minutes, depending on how much you use your phone. And now it is safe to reboot the system. Hey, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. And as a thank you to you, I've got this free worksheet for you, phone information record. It will help you, your kids, your grandparents always remember your PIN, your pattern, or your password. It's a free download. Look for the link in the description. Once again, thanks for watching.